YouTube in the building. I hope you guys are doing well. If you're looking for the secrets for video ideas for YouTube, which we'll be going over in just a few seconds, I just want to let you know that you're in the right place. Watch to the end of the video so I can share with you my best secret. This is also part 4 of the secret playlist to grow your YouTube channel. I'm Ricardo Rodriguez and welcome to Tube Grade. Subscribe to Tube Grade if you're looking to grow your YouTube channel and make money with YouTube. Check out my YouTube Freedom Blueprint linked in the description below if you want to learn how to make money with YouTube without even showing your face. Now everyone's looking for the next best video idea, right? But I have some great advice for you that you need to take into consideration before you even come up with that great idea. You need to learn how to just take a step back and plan out your content, right? So literally write down your daily ideas. If a video idea comes into your head, take the time to write it down, because what will happen in 20-30 minutes later, you're gonna forget that idea, and that could have been, a money-making idea or an idea that could help you take your channel to the next level, and you just forgot it. Draw inspiration from the bigger whales in the YouTube community, right? So literally look in your niche, look at the major influencers or the bigger channels, and draw inspiration into what they're incorporating into their videos. Maybe get an idea here, look up some research on Google of whatever your niche may pertain to, and include that all into your video. Put your own personality into it, create a unique experience for your viewer, and you will see some growth in your channel. And I know I'm going overboard when I'm saying plan out your videos, but it's such a crucial element when you're developing your YouTube channel, especially if you're just starting off, right? And the secret tip really is knowing what your audience wants to view. It's not about you when you're creating your YouTube channel, it's about what other people want to watch, right? So really look down into your YouTube niche and to whatever kind of content you're producing, and you have to take a new perspective when you're creating the content as well. You want to figure out what do people find entertaining, what do people want to watch, and that will help you be on a better guide into creating better content. Think about it like a puzzle, right? Every YouTube video is a tiny piece, and if you could put all the pieces together, that makes your YouTube channel and as a one piece, as in a whole, right? So if you create videos of just different kind of things pertaining to different topics, you're a little bit scattered, right? You're creating mini islands. Your YouTube channel isn't one piece, it isn't whole. But once you learn how to plan them out, little by little, they all have some sense of congruency, cohesion, and consistency. They all come together and make your YouTube channel whole. I hope that makes sense. Comment down below what YouTube videos are you looking to incorporate within your YouTube channel. I would love to hear them. Maybe you want some feedback, and the YouTube community would love to respond back to you guys. Tip number 2, you really have to look at what all of these videos are going to be about. And I have a very high, converting tip that's going to help you out. The power of a playlist, right? When you create your videos in the segue of 3 videos, 5 videos, or even 10 videos, creating this playlist, it builds congruency. They're all similar, they're all relating to one another, right? And that builds power for you. Not only does it boost up your retention time, not only does it boost up your watch time on your YouTube channel, but it helps viewers stay on your channel longer. And now you're telling YouTube that all these videos are similar. YouTube has a better idea of what kind of content you're producing, and now it knows that this video is about this playlist is about this. We're gonna show this to this specific audience to see how they like it, and if they enjoy it, it increases the chances of your YouTube channel growing and gaining more viewers and subscribers. My recommendation would be have at least 30 videos planned out. The 2 keys right here are cohesion and consistency. Make sure they're similar and make sure you're consistent when you're producing them. Think about your videos as in days, right? Just like how the days are categorized into a week, your videos should be categorized into a playlist. So there are 7 days within a week. A great ballpark would be 7 videos within one playlist, right? So not only does that create more organization for you, YouTube knows what your video is about, but now that helps you better plan out what content you're gonna deliver. Like this video if you're enjoying the content so far. And if you made it up to this point in the video, I'm gonna share with you my best secret. Have an uploading schedule. And this is to protect you as a creator for your mental health, right? So create for one day and see how much content can you produce. Can you create content, a video in 1 day, in 3 days, in a week? Really pay attention to how much time you're putting, how much effort you're putting, and how that affects you and your time, right? And my recommendation would be, your video time, double it when you're uploading it. So let's say you could only produce one video a day, start uploading every 2 days. Not only does that just relieve stress off, your shoulders or weight off your shoulders, but it gives you, it helps you pace yourself out. You don't want to overdo it and drain yourself. Picture you as a battery, right? You want to become a battery with long life. You don't want to burn yourself out, right? You don't want to reach that 0% level, and you don't want to, hurt yourself and hurt your will to create more content. So it's not a race, guys. Just produce at what you can with what you're working with, right? It's not always just about YouTube. It's also, life happens, right? You also have, family to take care of, your own situation going on, or sometimes just a life unexpectancy happens. So don't, worry about, YouTube. There's life, life comes in the way as well. And I just want to help you protect your own mental health when becoming a YouTube creator. Also, to mention, great content takes time. So if you can only make one video a day, or if you can only make one video a week, and if it's great content, work at your own pace, and the people will love you for it if you're producing great content, because it is content over anything else when you come into the YouTube game. That's all I have for you guys today. Watch this video to watch part 5 for more secrets on how to grow your YouTube channel. If you enjoyed the content, subscribe to Tube Great. Check out the YouTube Freedom Blueprint, linked in the description below, if you want to learn how to make money without even showing your face on YouTube.